data is important. So the more data you have, the more you have to protect, but also the more you can analyze and optimize how things are operating. Remote monitoring, right? Security, it's nice to be able to see things from a distance, to be able to have data being analyzed and understand that there are problems going on. The other thing is there are hidden costs, which we don't necessarily consider. And the hidden costs are not just the increased IT overhead, but there's also liabilities.
So you get an email from somebody saying it's Citibank and we need some information about your account. You can't see them. How do you know it's Citibank? So you need to be able to authenticate who it is. And in a digital world, there's a lot of things that need to be authenticated. So there's a lot of things happening, and I would suggest, as often as the case, and it can go all the way back to the world of DVDs and movies, where there's minimal security, and we thought nothing of it until I think a kid in Belgium came up with 16 lines of code, and we could all burn or rip our movies onto our own DVDs, etc. So as these devices are rushing into the market, you know, it's really great. I sit on several standards committees and ISO and what have you for certification for security devices. I will tell you, they do not move at any rate that keeps up with what's happening with the products or platforms in the market. So you should definitely monitor those sorts of things. But how bad is the problem? And I would suggest it's bad.